In today's digital age, artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized the way we create content, including commercials. With the emergence of free AI tools, making a professional quality commercial has never been easier or more accessible. In this tutorial, we'll explore how you can harness the power of AI to produce compelling commercials that captivate your audience and elevate your brand. Number 1. Understanding AI in commercial production. AI tools leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze data, generate content, and automate tasks traditionally performed by humans. In the realm of commercial production, AI can assist with script writing, voiceover generation, video editing, and much more. By understanding the capabilities of AI, you can unlock its full potential to streamline your workflow and enhance your creative output. Number 2. Choosing the right AI tools. There are a variety of free AI tools available online that cater to different aspects of commercial production. Some popular options include OpenAI's GPT-3 for generating script ideas and dialogue, Lumen 5 for creating video content from text, and Descript for editing audio and video with AI-powered features. Take the time to explore these tools and find the ones that best suit your specific needs and preferences. Number 3. Crafting compelling scripts. The foundation of any great commercial is a compelling script that resonates with your target audience. AI can assist with this process by generating script ideas, refining dialogue, and ensuring consistency in tone and messaging. Start by outlining the key message you want to convey in your commercial, then use AI tools to brainstorm ideas and flesh out your script with engaging content. Number 4. Enhancing audio with AI voiceovers. AI-powered text-to-speech technology has advanced significantly in recent years, allowing you to create realistic and natural-sounding voiceovers for your commercials. With tools like Descript or Google's WaveNet, you can input your script and generate high-quality voiceovers in a matter of minutes. Experiment with different voices, accents, and pacing to find the perfect fit for your commercial. Number 5. Creating stunning visuals with AI. In addition to audio, AI can also assist with generating visuals for your commercial. Tools like Lumen 5 use AI algorithms to analyze your script and automatically generate relevant video clips, images, and animations to accompany your narration. Tools like Lumen 5 use AI algorithms to analyze your script and automatically generate relevant video clips, images, and animations to accompany your narration. This allows you to create visually compelling commercials without the need for expensive equipment or professional editing skills. Number 6. Editing and polishing your commercial. Once you have assembled your audio and visual elements, it's time to edit and polish your commercial to perfection. AI-powered editing tools like Descript can help streamline this process by automatically transcribing your audio, generating captions, and even removing filler words and pauses for a seamless final product. Take advantage of these features to ensure that your commercial is polished and professional. Number 7. Testing and iterating. Before releasing your commercial to the public, it's important to test it with a focus group or target audience to gather feedback and identify areas for improvement. AI can assist with this process by analyzing viewer engagement metrics and providing insights into viewer preferences and behaviors. Use this feedback to iterate on your commercial and make any necessary adjustments to maximize its impact. In conclusion, AI has democratized the process of commercial production, making it more accessible and affordable for businesses of all sizes. By harnessing the power of free AI tools, you can create professional quality commercials that resonate with your audience and elevate your brand. Now is the perfect time to explore the possibilities of AI in commercial production and unlock new opportunities for creativity and innovation. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of AI-powered commercial production. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.